So how was a live transmission set up in the past? So in the past it was the case that the operator, the SNG truck, was sent to the venue. They have to do a lineup with the satellite operator in order to have the right setting for the equipment, and then they start with the transmission. What was the problem there? For example, if the transmission, if the president will departure or land at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they have to book 2 hours in advance the capacity in order to have the setting of the equipment to do the lineup with the operator, and for sure they need maybe additional 2 hours for buffering in order the late is coming late. So how it works today? So today we don't have an operator anymore in the truck. Today we have the operator in the headquarters, in the network operation center. So in the background you see the software and monitoring tool, how we have shifted all the capability to control equipment to the headquarters. So we have the monitor and control systems in the truck. This will be transmitted via our satellite modem to the network operations center, and the umbrella tool, the media fleet manager. This tool will coordinate all the transmission, all the trucks, like a scheduler, like Outlook, where you can plan the transmission exactly. So the benefit of the system is, on the one hand side, you have full control from the headquarters, where the experts are located for equipment. And you will see also on a map where is your truck located. So you could even make better planning if an accident happens, which truck is closest to the venue, and you see on the map, okay, this car is available, so please send this truck out. On the other side, we see all the information, the equipment level, if there is a fault or if the truck runs out of fuel. The headquarters sees this on the monitor. So the cameraman and like I am the reporter, we are outside the truck, so we have no chance to monitor the petrol station or the battery station. So this will be done by the network operation center, and this will be done by our own developed software, the media fleet manager and the MNC system.